Hi, today I'm going to show you how to program the EV3 Ultrasonic Sensor with Scratch. Ultrasonic sensor is used to measure the distance from objects. When you connect the sensor to one of input ports and click variable distance, you will see distance in inches. Sensor measures distance between 1 and 100 inches, what gives 250 centimeters. You can use the ultrasonic sensor in Scratch in two ways. One way is to use the hot block when distance smaller. In this case, the vehicle will stop 5 inches from the wall. The second way is to use variable distance with operators. Let's see two examples in which the mechanism shoots when it comes across the target. Thanks for watching and see you soon with Live Sensor.